Okay, what is the number one thing that is coming up in all of our conversations right now? What do you think it is? AI. It is coming up in, I think, every discussion that I'm having these days. Businesses, marketing colleagues, everyone is talking about AI. So, what does it mean for you? Well, I'm Holly Fisher. Thanks for joining me for this Monday Marketing Minute. And I want to talk about how hospitality can really be a marketing tool to help you in this AI driven world that we're living in. So everyone is really looking at how can they use these AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, and the list goes on and on. How can we use these tools to make our businesses more efficient? And I am all for increasing our productivity, managing some of these administrative tasks that eat up a lot of our time. That is great. Let's figure out how we can use AI to be more productive and more efficient in our business. It's a great way for us to save some time, maybe save some money and some resources with some of these wonderful tools that we have at our disposal. But there's one thing that AI doesn't have. There's one thing that AI can't do. At the end of the day, it's still a computer. It's still a machine. It's still a robot, if you will. AI does not have the power to empathize with your customers and clients. It's not having that one-on-one interaction with your customers. AI can't discern tone of voice or body language, facial expressions, the things that you as a human being can pick up on when you're having a conversation with another human being. And so I think this is where we really have an opportunity as business owners to lean into hospitality, lean into customer experiences as a way to really stand out in this AI driven world that we're living in. So, what does this look like? Well, one of the things that I do as an unreasonable hospitality coach is train teams on how to really identify all of the different customer touch points that they have. And there are a lot of them when you really start to think about the ways that you interact with your customers and clients. Then we're going to build out a customer journey advantage map and look for different ways that we can start to elevate those touch points. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we have to hire a lot of additional staff or even spend a lot of money. We just need to be more mindful and more thoughtful about the experiences that we're having with our customers and clients. And I really think that's going to make all the difference. It's really just pausing and stopping to think about how can I make this experience transformational, meaningful? How can I pay attention to my customers and my clients and really make them feel seen, make them feel special in this experience? And in turn, they're going to talk about that, right? We've all had really stellar customer service experiences and we want to tell someone about it. And so it makes it a powerful marketing tool. Those folks are out there talking about you. They're sharing all the wonderful things that you've done. And now you just have these free brand ambassadors out there in the world talking about what a wonderful job you're doing with the products or services that you sell. And so I want to encourage you again to think about in this world where we're doing so many things with little human interaction, right? We're using these AI tools. We're ordering our coffee in the mobile app and then running inside and grabbing it, right? We're booking all of our appointments and our reservations online. And we're having less communication, fewer interactions with humans. And so when we have those opportunities as a business, we can really stand out. We can really employ the idea of unreasonable hospitality so that people really do feel seen, they feel special, they feel heard and valued as customers. And we're not just doing the bare bones, we're not just giving them decent customer service, but we're really going above and beyond to make people feel special. And that is just something that, at least at this point in time, AI is not able to do. It is not a human. It cannot have those same kinds of human to human experiences that we can really give our customers and clients. So I would encourage you to think about that. How can you make hospitality a marketing tool, a competitive advantage for you? I would love to bring a workshop to your team and map out those touch points, map out that customer journey, and really look for ways that we can elevate that customer experience so that you can stand out in our AI world that we're living in right now. Thanks so much for joining me for this episode of Monday Marketing Minute. I look forward to sharing even more ways that you can fuel your marketing.